Online, they say one spray and one wipe makes scratches disappear. Sounds easy, right? But the truth is, it only hides the damage. Under angled light, the scratch is still there, and the surface uneven. In a pro garage, we don't hide it. We erase it for good, with proper sanding, base coat, and clear coat. And the result? You won't believe it's the same car. To truly erase a scratch, spraying paint isn't enough. First, the surface has to be leveled with wet sanding. This is the most crucial step to prepare the foundation for the new paint to bond and match perfectly. Even though the scratch is only here, a pro never paints just a tiny spot. To blend the color and the clear coat seamlessly, the repair area has to be extended. That's why the finish looks natural, without any visible patch. After sanding, the next step isn't painting yet, it's masking. Every area that doesn't need paint is carefully covered, so the spray goes only where it should, with no overspray. This is what separates a sloppy job from a pro garage finish. After masking is done, now comes the crucial step. Spraying the base coat. This is the color layer that restores the car's original shade. The painter always applies multiple thin layers, overlapping evenly, instead of one heavy coat. That's how the color bonds well and blends naturally with the old paint. Not every garage has a paint mixing machine, but for skilled painters, the color code and their trained eyes are enough. They start with the formula, fine-tune it manually, spray on a test panel, and check under different lights. The goal isn't absolute perfection. It's blending so well that no one can tell the difference. After spraying the base coat, the painter doesn't rush to clear coat. They mist water to check. When wet, it simulates the effect of clear coat. This way, they can tell if the color is ready or needs adjustment before finishing. After checking, we noticed the base coat looked slightly lighter than the car's original paint. In this trade, even a small mismatch becomes obvious once the clear coat is on, especially under sunlight. That's why the painter adjusts the mix, adding pigments until the tone is just right before continuing. The base coat is done, and the color now matches the original. Now comes the decisive step, applying the clear coat. This is the glossy layer that adds depth, protects the color beneath, and gives the finish that showroom shine. Once finished, the new paint often looks slightly brighter than the old paint that's been exposed to years of sun and weathering. This is normal. What matters is the surface has been restored properly. The scratch is gone, and the clear coat protects with a lasting shine. From a professional's eye, this is a pro-grade result. From stubborn scratches to a glossy, like-new finish, DIY can hide, but a pro garage fixes it for good. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more restorations.